Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video this is you and your person's video. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign also, and for the personal readings the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there on your side, Cancerians. So on your side we have the Five of Pentacles. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Fool. The most likely outcome in this situation. Eight of Swords, okay. So with the Five of Pentacles on your side, you feel rejected and ignored by someone here. By a person. You feel that as this person is ignoring you, you feel rejected and upset, really very as if you've been turned out, sort of. On your person's side, with the Fool, this person is ready to take the risk. This person wants a new beginning once again with you. And the most likely outcome is the Eight of Swords. So there's something which is definitely holding back this relationship. Some sort of a fear. Something from the past, it's holding you back. It is affecting your present perhaps. Okay, so let's see, why is this Five of Pentacles here on your side, Cancerians? Why is this Five of Pentacles here for Cancerians? So for the Five of Pentacles we have the Nine of Wands. Okay, the Fool. Three of Cups. And again the Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords, Five of Swords. Judgment. The Devil. Okay. So let's see, why is this Fool card here on your person's side? What is this Fool card about? So for the Fool we have the Chariot, the Sun, the Six of Cups. That's good. The Hangman, Five of Wands, the Knight of Wands. Okay. And the Two of Cups. So let's see, what is this Eight of Swords about? Why is this Eight of Swords here? So for the Eight of Swords we have the Lovers, the Moon, the High Priestess. Okay, three major cards here. The Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, Queen of Cups. Okay. So Cancerians, what I feel here is, it's like you feel as if you're being attacked. You feel as if there is something which is happening in this relationship, as if this person is attacking you by their communication, by their gestures or whatever it is. But the thing is that you are wanting peace for yourself. You don't want to deal with anything like that. You are at your own space. You you really don't want anything to mess up with your peace, actually. That is the main thing. Okay. And if there is something which is coming up, it's like you don't want to deal with anything like that. Okay, you really don't want to deal with anything which makes you feel bad, which makes you feel hurt. You don't want to deal with anything like that. You want your own peace. That is most important for you. Okay, that is what you want. With the Fool card, you are ready to take a leap of faith for the reconciliation. If this person wants a reconciliation with you, or you also want a reconciliation, yes, then you are ready to take that risk once more. You are ready to take that leap of faith. But there is something which is definitely holding back this relationship. What I feel is, maybe this has been with the Devil being there, Judgment, Devil. What I feel here is, maybe the arguments and the definitely with the Five of Swords, some sort of an argument, and something is definitely happening in this relationship which is making you feel ignored and rejected. Okay, and it is coming up from some sort of a old fear. Okay, maybe you with the seven of wands, since you're protecting your peace too much now, you just want peace, you really don't want anybody just coming at you and saying anything to you. Something has definitely happened over here, and whatever has happened in this dynamics is because of some sort of fear, something which is holding you back, some sort of restriction which is there in your mind space because of something from the past which has to be liberated. Okay, with the judgment and the devil, you also want the reconciliation here. You're also wanting and praying that this person should come back to you. Okay, you also want that, but the thing is that it's becoming a habit. It's becoming a habit that this fear of the past or some past experiences are not letting you step up or move forward in life. Though you want a new beginning and you really want a reconciliation with this person, but something is definitely affecting this relationship, and that is something which is related to your past. That's what I feel. As far as this person is concerned, for the Fool, we have the Chariot, the Sun, the Six of Cups, the Hangman, the Five of Wands, the Six of Wands, and the Two of Cups. So what I feel is definitely this person really wants to make things, this person really wants things to proceed fast. Okay, they really view you as their happiness. They are really happy with you. They want a new beginning with you. They want things to pick up pace. They really want to, and since something has definitely gone wrong with this relationship, that's what I feel. With the Five of Pentacles and so many Eight of Swords, Five of Swords, and all. So definitely both of you are wanting a reconciliation here with the Six of Cups and the Three of Cups. Definitely both of you are wanting a reconciliation, but what I feel is some things are stuck here. Things are not, maybe nobody is making a move because some sort of confusion is there, some sort of conflict is there. Maybe the fear of the conflict is inhibiting the communication. It can be that also. But yes, the passion is definitely there. With the King of Wands, there is somebody here who feels a lot of passion, and with the Two of Cups, so love is there, passion is there, everything is there. This person really wants to move fast towards you. They really want to take a leap of faith. They really want a reconciliation, but perhaps because of the fear of some sort of an argument which may happen, that's what I feel. This person is not stepping up or not moving forward, and that is why the things are stuck. That's what I feel. This person is not making a move for the fear of some sort of a argument which may happen. That's what I feel. But definitely there is a lot of passion over here, and this person really views you as their soulmate. The most likely outcome, we have the Eight of Swords. For that we have the Lovers, the Moon, the High Priestess. So this is definitely a very, very passionate relationship. Definitely a very, very passionate relationship. There is a lot of passion, a lot of chemistry. Things may not be very clear, but things are not, it's like a lot of intuition is being used over here. Maybe somebody is too emotional, that's what I'm saying. Being the Cancerian, maybe somebody is very, very emotional here. Somebody is not ready to or able to leave the past, but what I feel is a lot of intuition is being used here. Maybe this person is praying and meditating also, because with the Ten of Swords, what I feel is this person also wants to liberate themselves from this past, whatever is holding them back. This person wants to liberate themselves from the fear, the anxiety, whatever it is holding them back. It's not easy for them, but they are trying hard. They are using their intuition. Things are definitely, there is some sort of lack of clarity also. They really don't know how to do it, how to move forward in this relationship. They really don't know how to go about, because maybe there is some sort of duality or conflict between what their mind says and what their heart says. Can be that also. But this person, maybe it is that fear which is holding them back. But yes, this person, this will end. And what I feel here is with the Page of Swords and the Queen of Cups, this cycle is going to end. Definitely it may take some time. The cycle will end, and definitely you have a new beginning here. Some sort of small communication or something will be there in the direction of this reconciliation. That's what I feel. Guidance from this deck. Love is all around you. Number 16 may be of some significance to you. Love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. Simply acknowledge this as truth. So you just need to understand that maybe this person really loves you, and do not let anything from the past hold you back from this relationship. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.